8 companies who accept crypto in 2023. It may surprise you which major e-commerce and bricks and mortar companies are now saying yes to digital currency like Bitcoin and more. 1. Microsoft. Since 2014, you've been able to use Bitcoin at Microsoft's Xbox Store. Bitcoin is better than currency. Bill Gates. 2. Overstock.com. Shopping online? Overstock.com accepts Bitcoin and a range of cryptocurrencies. 3. Home Depot. Imagine building your entire house using Bitcoin. At Home Depot, the largest hardware chain in the US, you can do just that. 4. Starbucks. Craving a latte? Starbucks is now accepting Bitcoin, thanks to their partnership with Bakkt. 5. Whole Foods. Shopping for groceries? With the Spend app, you can buy everything at Whole Foods using Bitcoin or even Litecoin. 6. Newegg. For the techies, Newegg is your place. Recognizing their popularity in the crypto world, they've started accepting Bitcoin for their hardware. Now, this one's a roller coaster. Tesla first embraced Bitcoin, then stepped back, but keep an eye out. Elon Musk has hinted at returning once Bitcoin mining becomes greener. Now pay with crypto for your customized sandwich at Subway. Even other local restaurants are now accepting Bitcoin for that delicious meal. Please like and subscribe to Canopy Crypto and AI. Thanks for watching.